In this video, we will show you how to add a new device with a built-in connectivity module via the uControl app and how to establish a network connection. For this video, we have already created a new account and added our new location Udo. To add a device to a newly added location, tap on Device Overview and then on Add Device. You now have the option of adding the device either by scanning the QR code, which is stuck to the side of the device, or by manually entering the device ID. In this case, we will scan the QR code by using the scanner. To do this, we open the QR code scanner by tapping on the QR code shown and then scan the QR code on the device to be added. The scanned device is then displayed. However, it is not yet connected to any network and is therefore shown as offline. To establish a network connection, please tap on the newly displayed device in the app. Now you can choose how you want to establish a network connection. To establish a network connection via Wi-Fi, please tap on Wi-Fi connection. You will now be prompted to unplug the power supply of the device to be set up and plug it back in after approximately 5 seconds. Once you have done this, please tap on Next. You may be asked to enable location permissions for the uControl app. Please grant this permission. The connection will now be established. You may be asked whether your device should connect to the temporary Wi-Fi of the connectivity module. Please confirm this message. If the connection is successful, you can select the desired Wi-Fi network. For iOS devices, it is necessary to manually enter the name of the desired Wi-Fi network in the field provided. After selecting the Wi-Fi network, you must enter the Wi-Fi password and confirm with Save. Your device has been successfully connected. You can now access and control it via the uControl app.